Ah, salutations to you, my ooey gooey petrified friends. As you can tell, this is no ordinary episode on the S'mores and Dinosaurs YouTube channel. No, no, no! For you see, the midnight hour is close at hand, and with it comes a very special, spooky season s'more, especially for you. Today's ingredients have been carefully selected to not only terrify your taste buds, but also to enliven the spirit within. I, of course, am your ghost host with the most, Sean P. Mette. And if you happen to enjoy this type of video, I encourage you to come back, see what other videos we have planned coming forward, and remember to like and subscribe. I swear to you, those 4 words, like and subscribe, are the scariest thing that you may encounter this evening. But now, on to our s'more. We start off tonight with the basis. We take the graham cracker and throw it out. In its place, I have made a marshmallow treat composed of the most frightening of all breakfast cereals. Count Chocula. Look at the count right there. It's so intriguing that after 50 years, a vampire is our most beloved of the Halloween cereal mascots. Although I shouldn't be surprised. After all, we freely let a vampire live on Sesame Street. I know he enjoys numbers, but he can't survive on only numbers. Where have those other puppets gone, I wonder? Regardless, to the treat I come. Let's see, and here we are. Let's put this up to our camera. Whew, this is not as easy. With my flesh missing from my hands, it's not as easy. There we are, look at that. A Count Chocula marshmallow treat. And let me tell you, from my personal experience this past week, it's pretty damnationally good. I've eaten almost the entire tray. You can feel the eternal chocolate flowing down your throat. But a s'more cannot persist on a treat alone, no sir. And that is why we have a very special chocolate filling this time. Yes. Reese's peanut butter cups, but not any ordinary peanut butter cups, no. We have Franken cups, that's right. It has the chocolate that you're familiar with. It has the peanut butter you're familiar with. And something green. Is it just chocolate? Is it peanut butter? Or is it perhaps the decomposing flesh of a corpse, surprisingly enticed and encompassed inside a peanut butter cup? Who knows? Well, I do. And our final treat, for those that are wondering, we have Count Chocula cereal. We have Franken peanut butter cups. How do we complete it off? With Peeps Marshmallow Ghost. Indeed, Peeps Marshmallow Ghost. Because what better to have on this spooky s'more than a toasted soul of the damned? So, let's put this s'more together and try our delightfully devilish treat. Yes, then you demon, then you ghost. For your spirit shall not find rest here, nay, it shall roast upon the spigot of your eternal damnation. Ah, true hellfire. And now, to place our spirit friend upon the s'more, let it face up, in frame, always important even in hell. All right. My skeleton hands are not making this easy. Oh, goody, there's marshmallow fluff all over my hands. How does it taste? Ooey gooey, devilishly good. Do you have any last words, spirit? No, I didn't think so. What a monster of a s'more. Look at it. Although I suspect with our lighting everything is a little bit green. But how does it taste? Let us find out. Curses. There we are. Truly spooktacular. The cereal provides a wonderful crunch, and the peanut butter cup is oh so gooey and gets in all those good places. And it is completed with that warm marshmallow spirit of the dead. So delightful. Oh, napkin. So good, I have to confess, I want just one more bite. Well, one more bite won't hurt me, will it? All right. How do they say it? Oh, right. Bon appetit. That's strange. What? Where am I? That doesn't taste the same. Wait a second. This isn't the s'more I was just eating. Hold the phone. Somebody switch to s'more. Why is it extra crunchy? Maybe it's just my imagination? Why is there something looking back at me? Oh no. No, not again. No. Chocolate covered cicadas again? No! No, I didn't want any more tricks. I just wanted treats this Halloween. What? No! Oh, I don't know who did this in the production team, but this was just supposed to be a spooky s'more, and then we got rid of all the chocolate cicadas. Oh, why? No, it's looking back at me. Oh, man. Last time I ate cicadas, my stomach felt rumbly for days. What? Oh, crap, you're right. I'll finish it up. Time to close up.
Well,
That was unexpected. Oh. I do beg your pardon. I believe a thorax went down the wrong windpipe. Well, that seems to be enough for this spooky episode of S'mores and More. Until next time, happy Halloween.